What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Zamir from Access Tunes. In this video I'm going to show you guys some of the workflow tricks that I use to speed up my process in production or mixing, arranging, or mastering. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started.
Let's go now and lose ourselves. Shake up all of the stress. Dive deep down the pain, drowning your love for days.
So we spend a lot of time in project window, this window right here, and one of the most used function is definitely the mouse wheel. So I can move up and down by just using my mouse wheel, like so. And also there's another function that you can actually use to move horizontally, and that is by pressing shift key and use the mouse wheel. So I'm going to press shift key now and scroll up the mouse wheel. It's going to move to the right, and if I scroll down, it's gonna move to the left, right? So this is a very useful function, especially when I'm editing an audio track. I'm gonna double click on this audio event. Here's a sample editor, and I can actually zoom in and zoom out by pressing Ctrl and using the mouse wheel to zoom in and zoom out. I can go here, maybe this is the part that I want to edit. I can just come here and zoom in, and then I can just kind of nudge it. Alright, but if I want to go to the other part, sometimes I have to zoom out and then go back here and zoom in and stuff like that. You can also use the shift key to kind of move horizontally without having to zoom out and then zoom in back again. So say I have edited this part here, I'm going to go to the right, to the left. So let's go to the left. Okay, here I'm going to edit this part here. I can, kind of nudge it to the right grid, and then I'm going to go to the other part here, and so on. So this is a very important function that you should be aware of. This also works with a MIDI track. So let me just go and get a MIDI track here. See, I'm writing a melody right now. Okay, if I want to go to the right side, I can just press shift key and scroll up to move to the right to the next bar. Now I can write and continue doing so. Right, it's a powerful function, you should know. Alright, the next workflow trick that I use, it's not actually a trick, but you should be aware of this, because sometimes when you're using the mix console, you have adjusted the fader, and then when you click on this reverb accidentally, right, I want to select the track, but the fader is kind of adjusted when I press here, and you don't know the position of the fader, and you get panic after that. But don't worry, there's a way to fix this. All you have to do is just go to the undo button right here, or Alt Z. So I'm going to just press this undo button. It goes back to the original location. I'm going to try another one. Let's see. Okay, now I'm going to press Alt Z. It went back to the original fader position. Okay, so that's the second tip. The third one is kind of similar. You have this track here, and you want to copy the channel settings of this track to other track. You can just click on this channels and right click on it, go to copy, first select the channel settings, go to the next track, right click and paste settings to select the channels. Okay, now all the settings including the fader will be copied to this track. Okay, but what if you only want to copy the inserts, right? If you just want to copy the insert, there's another way you can do that. Just go up here and right click on it, click copy, go to the next track, just right click and paste. So it's only gonna copy the inserts, not the whole channel settings. Okay, and if you want to delete tracks, okay, you want to remove this inserts, just right click on it, go to clear and reset. Okay, let's do the same thing again here, clear. Okay, I'm gonna go to project window. You can also achieve this by going to the insert here, press shift and click. Now I'll ask you whether do you want to reset this track. Just click reset and done. This is a very useful thing that you should know when you're producing a track, which will really speed up your workflow. So that's it for today, guys. If you guys find some value in this video, please make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, smash the like button, and share this video to all your friends. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.